want to be a better firefighter. You want every possible tactical advantage and to push yourself physically. So we wanted a partner to help you get there. Introducing our brand new sponsor for 2024, Task Force Tips. What does that mean for you? We've got a new helper on your journey. TFT is on a mission to help make you the best firefighter you can possibly be. Safer, healthier, more productive. That means that you, the athlete, can expect video content that is directly applicable to your life, plus best-in-class nozzles and other equipment during competition. So follow Firefighter Challenge Championship Series presented by TFT, and we'll help you become the firefighter of tomorrow.